Hey guys and gals and all my pals, welcome back here to Outfits Garage, where I look like I've been run through a buzzsaw. But we've been to work on this car again. We've got this engine torn totally down. As you can see, we got rods and pistons right there. We got main caps right there. I've got the crankshaft back over here. Laying on that motor, I've got it cleaned up. I've been washing them up over there in that tub. Got some bearings washed up. You say bearings? Yeah, the bearings look brand new in this thing, so I'm cleaning them up. Matthew is building a fuel cell can. That fuel cell was in the car. The fuel cell had rotted smooth off of it. So he's taking some of that old deck material that was in the car and reutilizing it in building a fuel cell can. So see there, you take what you got, as we've talking about on the last video. Take what you got and make it work. We may have to get a new cap, we may have to get new fittings, but this tank will clean out and it'll be just fine. It's a plastic polyurethane tank, so it's totally fine. It won't rust. Like I say, you may have to change fittings. That's okay. That canister will be just fine. This block is junk. I say junk. We could probably take it to a machine shop and have them sleeve that cylinder right there. And we may do that. But these blocks are pretty plentiful right now. I could probably buy another block and basically ready to go from our engine guy that's across town over here, well, in the next town over. I'm actually getting another block from him to build to replace this. So yeah, it's I think it's a 40 over block, to where this is a standard. So we're going to be taking that crankshaft that I took out of this motor. I've got it cleaned up, and he's got a set of pistons and rods to go with that other block that'll fit. So but I ain't gonna throw this thing away. We may take it to a machine shop and see if they can sleeve it. They might can, they might not, but we'll just have to see. This motor will more than likely have to be bored probably 40 thousandths, maybe 60, to be able to clear out of all the rust pits that's in the cylinders. But if that's the case, it is the case. So like I say, I don't want to throw it away just yet, but we will be checking that out on a later date. But right now, Matthew's working on this fuel cell can. The car is stripped down. I may have already shown you this. Neighbors over there the kids are having a blast and having a ball. I think the dad's over there mowing some yard, but anyway, but the car is stripped down. I'm going to be going this weekend to try to find some tubing, and we'll be coming and working in here. Now that looks like green paint, but what you're seeing is a reflection off of that light. So it don't look like that in person. The light is reflecting in that way. Anyway, but I'm going to be adding some tubing in here and starting in on the this roll cage setup. Fix this, fix that side, run us a brace across here that ties the frames together. We'll be welding this piece of pipe that we put in. We'll be welding it to this structure here and to the rocker panel as well. So we will be making it strong again. Then once we get that strong, we're going to come in and run some more bracing back here in the back to brace up where all of this is going to be, and brace up everything. And once that's braced, then I'm going to come in here and take this top back off, lay the top upside down and trim it out and get all the inner structure out of it and just have the skin, because really all we need is the skin on this thing. So probably we'll trim out a lot in here, get some of this weight out of here. Same way back here, we're probably going to trim out some. Not going to trim out a bunch of weight back here because we need the weight in the back, but still going to trim out some of the inner structures and things so that we can get to things easier and better. But all this back here is fine. We're going to add some tubing back here. We'll add some pipe here and there, whatnot, where we can mount our fuel cell back. Then we'll start rebuilding our body structure, build a rear deck pan right here, and it'll come down and it'll fasten to that right across there. And so, but yeah, we'll do that. All this back here will be to where we can work on it and add lead if we need to. So like I say, we'll probably add a bar from there back to there, the same way over here, somewhere. We'll add some pipe so that it will brace this thing up a little better, because we don't want this thing to be knocked around in the back end. So this bar here is fine. That's a good, what they call the petty bar. And it goes down and ties to the right front, keeps this car from twisting, ties in right there. So that's good. It's got some bars that comes up through here, goes across. We'll be adding to a little bit here and there to build us a front bumper structure and tie these frame rails in a little bit better. So yeah, we got a little bit of work to do. I just haven't got my mind set in on the fab work yet. So we're gonna pull a sway bar off because we don't run sway bars on dirt. We've got to see if we can make this rack and pinion work. I don't know if it will. Don't know if it will. I got to get another power steering pump and all of that, so that when we get the motor on, we'll have power steering, because you need power steering in these things. Kind of tough without it, especially running a quarter mile dirt. So anyway, I haven't talked to our sponsor on the paint job yet, but I'm going to try to message him either tonight or tomorrow and see. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. Still got to do all the chassis work. When we get all that, then we can finish floor pans out, get our deck work done, get our new dash built, redo our steering up here. We're probably going to have to do a couple things here to redo that, make it better. But yeah, just odds and ends. So yep. So needless to say, if y'all want to support this little operation, we are running low on funds trying to get this thing done. We had that funeral for my mom, and that kind of run us low on funds. But I still wanted to make that trip to get the car. So, but anyway, if y'all want to help support this thing, go over. I'm going to drop a link to our Amazon wish list, and I've got a few gasket. I think I got a gasket set on there. Something else, and I'll be putting some more things on there for this Ministock project, a little 2300 engine project. We'll try to do what we can to drop some of those links in there. If y'all want to jump in there and kind of give us a hand and help us out, that would greatly be appreciated. So if you want to jump into that Amazon wish list, I'll have the link of it in the title and the description. So therefore you'll be able to find it pretty easy. So we could use your help, use your assistance, because it's pretty tough. But we're going to try to make it happen anyway. So we got a couple sponsors we're going to hit up, like I say, the paint job, and we got another sponsor we're going to talk to maybe help out a little bit on this engine build. So luckily we're not having to buy all new parts. So like I say, the crankshaft's good. I just cleaned it up. The bearings look good. Even the rod bearings look good. They don't even have any damage on them at all. So there's no sense in buying new rod and main bearings whenever they're good. We just got to get some seals and gaskets for that. The block's going to cost us a little bit because it's a fresh block. It's been bored and honed, and it's been stress honed, and had the deck surface done. The head's at the head shop. Dropped it off today. It's at the head shop. They're going to clean it all up and tell me what all I need to do there. The camshaft is good. I checked it out. There's nothing wrong with it. It's going to be just fine for what we're doing. Yeah, it's coming right along. I've got another carburetor here, and I'll be cleaning it up, putting the kit in it. So we'll see if we can't make this thing run here just as soon as I can get these parts all gathered back up and thrown in another motor. So anyway, that's where we're at on this, but we're coming along on it a little bit here and there. We slowed down just a little bit from day one. So it's now day 3, but like I say, we've slowed down a little bit. I was totally exhausted yesterday, Memorial Day. I don't know that I got anything done yesterday. It all kind of caught up with me. Lack of rest, lack of sleep I've had for the last 2.5 weeks. So I slept about half the day. So anyway, I was glad to get that starting to feel better, and we're trugging right along. Yeah, appreciate all of you. I'll get off here for a little bit, and I'll see what else we can get on the end of this video. Appreciate you. Matthew making race cars great again.
Trying to.
It's got a little rot here and there. Yep, all of this will have to be redone from there to there. Same way over there to there. We'll put some steel tubing in this floor, tie everything back into some solid things, tie it back into our mounts and everything back here. It'll be strong again. It's got to come apart first. So anyway, that's where we're at the moment. Well, hey there, everybody. I just want to jump in here and show you another channel that I've got started, Russell's Family Adventures. We're going to show you different things, different aspects, different views of things, maybe some trips, maybe some different angles of trips. I'd like for you to join in with us, Russell's Family Adventures. I think you'll enjoy it. jump over there and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. That'll let you know every time we throw a little video up. Well, I appreciate it. Well, hey there, guys and gals and all my pals. Thank y'all for watching this video today. We out here, I'm fixing to check check our chickens out. Give y'all something to look at. But some of these things will be on our other channel that we've got started. And yeah, I've got a couple of eggs over there I'm fixing to go get. But yeah, we can go ahead and do that. Watch out. Hey, there's another egg in there. 3 eggs. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll be moving y'all's pen tomorrow, okay? Y'all just stay still. You say, move the pen. Yeah, I'm going to move the pen over here in the grass. So anyway, but we'll have all kind of things on that other channel. More of our, I guess you could say, our adventures. So maybe we'll be going down the road talking about this or that or whatever. But yeah, just jump over and hit that subscribe button if you don't mind, and we'll surely appreciate it. But for now, I'm going to get off of here, and I'm going to take this video. Y'all know the drill. But I'm going to finish this video up and see if I can't knock this thing out, but get it uploaded here as soon as I can. But anyway, Russell here saying God bless you, Jesus loves you, and Outfits Garage saying keep a hammer.